Hey, did you ever question the goodness of the food you consume? And wouldn't you prefer freshly plucked veggies, just like your favorite master chefs? Think about it. From fresh tomatoes, crispy lettuce, spinach and kale. Every single day you open your refrigerator looking for your fresh stock of frozen ingredients. I'm sure your husband loves it as well. Who are you kidding? Now I know what you're gonna say. Who's the time to grow veggies in between work, kids, daily chores, socializing? Why didn't you just send me to a farm? No, chill, we'll send the farm to you. Now I know you're wondering how we fit a farm inside this box. That's us, Altifarm. A compact modular home farm that empowers you to enjoy fresh produce without any hassle. Assemble it like a Lego set. Step by step, and your farm is ready. Don't worry about watering. Just fill it once a week and the self-watering system will take care of the rest. Not enough sun? The Grow Light Pack gives you the option of keeping it indoors. Tight space? The Mobility Pack lets you move Altifarm around anywhere. Oh, and there's also a greenhouse pack for the winter. All the tiers are height adjustable and flexible to grow a variety of plants. If herbs and veggies are not your thing, you can grow some beautiful garden plants too. They look great on Altifarm.
The design, it took around 3.5 years now.
There are many architects who design green spaces into buildings, and this is something that it doesn't have to be designed into. It can be brought in and added to that unused space in almost any setting.
You know the story behind what you consume. So Altifarm lets you do that.
Altifarm not only makes your home look good, but it will also make you look healthy, stylish, eco-chic, smart, and most importantly, a great chef. So next step, food blogger. Yeah, maybe that's too far. But hey, you gotta start somewhere, right? So start by supporting us on Indiegogo. It'll help us bring Altifarm to the market, and you eat healthier, fresher, and better. Altifarm!